Hello and welcome to Scientific Astrology, and today we are going to discuss about water science. So let's get started.
संग तेरे पानियों सा बहता रहूं तू सुनती रहे मैं कहानियां सी कहता रहूं.
Water signs. There are three water signs: Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So these three are called water signs because they have the nature that represents water in our body. Like in our elements of signs, these three signs are more of having watery nature. And what is watery nature? We will discuss right now. Water is like emotions of a person, because whenever we cry, what happens when we cry? The tears come from the eyes and drips down, right? So that is the water content. If we laugh too much, then also tears drips from our eyes, so that is also water. So whatever we feel is expressed by water nature in our body. So these people are very emotional and very sensitive. They have a lot of feelings and they can express their feelings very well. Like if they are sad, they can express it through their facial expressions, because they will be good at even expressing their feelings. Some people are not that good in expressing their feelings because they do not have water content in their birth chart. So water content is therefore necessary to get good relationships between people around you. These watery people have adjusting nature. Whenever you pour water in some vessel, the water takes the shape of that vessel. So these people are also like that. Whenever you put them into a situation, they transform themselves according to that situation. So that is what water does in this science. These people are also very diplomatic, because water adjusts itself wherever it goes. So these people also can change themselves and adjust according to the situation. That is why they are diplomatic. These people are also very creative, because they have good expression of their feelings. These people can be creative. Like there are some artists who can convey the message of what they feel through paintings. These people have their ability to paint whatever they feel. They have the ability to write what they feel. So many writers, many paint artists, many sketch artists are seen with more water content in their birth chart. These people are crybabies, as they can express their feelings, but this can go overboard sometimes. They can cry about little things. So that is the dark side of these signs. They can be crybabies. Also, these people have good sensitive and caring nature. These people are good at caring somebody. So professions like nurses, doctors, like somebody who can heal, somebody who can pressurize some points. So naturopathy or even Reiki is seen through these signs. So these people have inbuilt nature of caring for somebody. That is why these people can understand you very well. Like if you are good friends with somebody and you can share whatever you feel like to them, this is because of their water content and because they can listen to you. Water is like absorbing the things. Whenever you put something in water, it absorbs the thing and it sinks down. So these people also have that ability to grab somebody's feelings and they can feel it for you. Like whenever you see your face in water, it reflects you back. So water is something who can understand your feelings. So these people are good at caring for somebody and they can understand you very well. So many NGOs can be seen. If for example there is some earthquake, let's say, these people are the ones who feel it for the people who have suffered through earthquake. So this is what water signs can do. These people are also intuitive, like they have the ability to guess what can happen next, because the water, when you pour it down on the floor, it reaches to wherever it can go, even to the places where somebody else cannot go. So these people are very, very intuitive, and that is why they have the ability to go into fields like like tantric, like mysticism, exorcists. So that can be seen through Pisces especially. They have that ability to travel wherever they want to go. They have the connection with the world which is not of this realm, the second dimension world. They have that ability to connect to them. The negative traits of these signs we can see through signs. So first of all, we will talk about Cancer. So Cancer, you can imagine as normal water, the surfacial water. That surfacial is not water, but the water which is on the surface. So Cancer sign shows ups and downs in your life. Wherever Cancer sits, it shows up, there will be some ups and downs in that particular area of your life. Like for example, if it sits in career house, then there will be ups and downs. There will be some peaks, and then there will be some lows also. So this is what Cancer represents. Cancer represents somebody who is caring, and that is why it also represents your mother, because the first person who cares for you is your mother. That is why Cancer shows motherly nature, or mother, somebody who is also like a mother to you, because it is not necessary that everybody has a mother, but somebody who takes care of you is your mother like person, right? So Cancer is that somebody who is like Mother Teresa. They can feel your feelings, feel what you feel, right? So Cancer is like a crab. When you see the symbol of Cancer zodiac, it is like a crab, and these people have the ability to run away from the situations. Like if you touch a crab, it will get scared and it will go into the protective cover of itself. So these people have that ability. Also, if you see crab goes into the water, comes back onto the floor, goes into the water, comes back onto the earth. So these people have to and fro nature. Someday they will feel like something, someday they will feel like something else. So there is always ups and downs wherever Cancer sits. These people, Cancer sign can be seen with, as I said, surface of water and waves. So that is what water content means for Cancer. Now let's see what Scorpio has to do with water. Scorpio is something which is deep, something which is related to digging deep. That is why Scorpio people are truth seekers. They like to go into deep, which is interesting to them. Like they can be detectives, because detectives have that ability to seek the truth and dig deep into the things. So detectives can be seen. But one thing about Scorpio is that they can backbite you, because Scorpio has the tail like thing with which it can bite you. So Scorpio people, it is not like all Scorpios will be like that, but these people have the ability to grab the insult, that they sink in the insult into them, and they will retaliate from the back. They will not confront you face to face, but they will do something from back end. So this can happen, and they can for sure take a revenge, because Scorpion is a revenge. It is a revengeful creature, right? So it is not that all will be like that, but they have this kind of attitude. This is like a base foundation. Plus and minus will be always there according to your placement of planets, but this is the general nature. of Scorpio. Also, Scorpio can be seen with ice because this is like cold nature. They can retaliate with something cold-bloodedly. So this is like an ice of water. In water content, it is like ice. And as I said, it is like Scorpio also, which can bite you from the back end. So these are the aquatic animals that I am relating to, so that it can be easier for you to understand. But these people also have the ability to go into some deep science like technologies, like somebody who is into post-mortem or somebody who is like forensic expert, because they have to dig deep to find out the truth. So Scorpio is these things. Now coming to Pisces. Pisces people are good at imagination because Pisces represents second dimension and your subconscious mind. So Pisces people are very selfless. Whenever moon sits in Pisces, they have a tendency to sink in the emotions of everybody around them. They are the easiest people to get access whenever somebody is feeling sad. Like they are the ones who can share your feelings with them. So these people are very sensitive to all of you, to all the people around you. These Pisces people are good at imagination, and that is why they can be good artists. Because for becoming a good artist, you have to have a good imagination power. That is Pisces for you. And these people can go into dark side. Like we are discussing now the negative traits of each and every sign, and we will start with Pisces right now first. So these people have the ability to sink the feelings of others. So this can go overboard, and they can isolate themselves because of the feelings of other people, and it can disturb your mind. So they are too much into it. When they are too much into it, it can over collect the information, to over collect the emotions of other people, and that can indirectly affect your mind. So they can isolate themselves from the world. This can happen. Scorpio negative traits are, as I said, they can be suspicious, they can be detective like, because they are truth seekers, and detectives are also seen through them. But they do not trust anybody easily. So they are suspicious in nature. And these people can also be sarcastic, because scorpion is an insect with poison. So these people also can speak bitter things, like it can be sarcastic in their speech. So they can be sarcastic in their speech. And these people also have a tendency to keep themselves secretive. You don't come across Scorpio people and the Scorpio people who can easily share their feelings with you, because these people do not trust anybody easily. And this is because Scorpion, what it does is it digs deep into the land, the sand around water, and it goes inside. So this represents secrets. So there can be too much secretive about their life. People can't know without they telling you. This can happen. And about Cancer sign, they can be over caring to you. Somebody who keeps on telling you what to do, somebody who keeps on protecting you even if you not want it to be. So these people are like that, over caring, over sensitive. If you tell them something, they'll take it to their heart and start crying or something, whatever. They they can react it that way. So negative traits of Cancer is all this. So this is it, I think, for water signs. And yes, one thing more about Pisces. Pisces is like a fish. The symbol, if you see, there are two fish, right? So these Pisces people, what they do is, whenever they sense some trouble coming to them, they will run away from that situation right away. Whenever they feel like they are getting trapped into some situation, they'll try to run away. So this is it. I think today we have discussed quite a few of this water signs indications, and I hope you have enjoyed this video and got some enlightenment about water signs. I'll see you next time with Aries sign, and stay connected to me by subscribing my YouTube channel, and stay home, stay safe. Thank you.